Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ghulam Kibriya Bhatt and I am a student of Doctor in Pharmacy at University of Central Punjab. Today, let's talk about famotidine. Famotidine is an H2 receptor antagonist which is used to treat peptic ulcer, GERD, Zollinger syndrome, and moreover heartburn. Talking about its discovery, it is solely a synthetic drug which was prepared by GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals from its derivative, you can say a precursor molecule called cimetidine. It is actually a thiourea. Here is the structure of famotidine. To understand its pharmacodynamic, we must know about its mode of action. Basically, famotidine reduces the HCl production in the stomach. The HCl is produced, as we know, that is produced in the gastric gland of gastric mucosa. It is a gland found in inner walls of stomach. The gastric gland contains parietal cells which are responsible for the HCl production in the stomach. In parietal cell, the water and carbon dioxide combine to form carbonic acid, which dissociate into bicarbonate ion and hydrogen ions. The bicarbonate ion move into the blood in exchange of chlorine ions. The chlorine ions move into the lumen of parental cell where they combine with potassium and continue to move into the lumen of the gastric gland via chlorine channels. Now the hydrogen ion present in the parietal cell need to be transported into the lumen of the gastric gland where it react with chlorine to form HCl. The hydrogen present in the parietal cell are transported into the lumen via an enzyme called hydrogen potassium ATPase, commonly known as proton pump. The proton pump transport hydrogen ions into the lumen of gastric gland in exchange of potassium ions where hydrogen and chlorine react to form HCl. The main function in HCl production is proton pump, which is stimulated by two things. One thing is calcium ions and the second thing is cyclic AMP. The calcium ions comes from the muscarinic gland under the action of acetylcholine and a hormone gastrin, which is released by on its own stomach and sometimes small intestine. But the second thing, cyclic AMP, which is produced by H2 receptor present in the gastric gland, solely known as in parietal cell, which convert ATP into cyclic AMP. The cyclic AMP enhances the effect of proton pump. Thus, more protons move into the lumen and more HCl is produced. Our drug famotidine blocks the action of H2 receptor, which result in decreased level of cyclic AMP. Thus, the action of proton pump is inhibited and the HCl production is decreased gradually. Let's talk about its some pharmacokinetic parameters. Here you can see some pharmacokinetic parameters of the famotidine, where it is highly absorbed from GIT. About 40 to 50% of its protein binding it metabolites by liver into the sulfates and then move out of the body via mostly urine. Some other parameters you can see, half-life is 3 to 4 hours and etc. Talking about its side effects, though it is a safest drug and has been approved by FDA, but in some cases if you have sensitivity, you can have to face redness, skin rashes, muscle fatigue, or in case of overdose, we directly suggest the patient to the hemodialysis where the whole of the drug is removed from the body. That's all about famotidine. Here are some my colleagues that work with me. Thank you very much.